Sure.
Sakshi joined from Canada and now she's a certified teacher. Sakshi, this is your journey. Share in a way you want.
Okay, sir. Sure. So, first of all, thank you so much, sir, for providing all the guidance. I was told about this program from one of my relative in US, and he was like, "Okay, if you have to do PMP, I will give you a contact, and just contact them, and it will be taken care of." And they are very good in this, and their friends have also cleared. So I was very hopeful, and I joined. And the first video that you sent me, I remember just watching that video, realized the way of teaching. I knew that I'm going to definitely clear this exam, because I was far from studies from a long time. And then when I started studying for this, the interesting videos and the way of coaching and the way of educating sir was some completely different. And I never thought that I will be getting bored or I would sleep in the class. It was very always very interesting. So I loved Agile. The first video I saw, I loved it. I know I was just, thorough with that topic for the first. But then when I started the other topics, okay, these are the other things. I started with it, and it was good. Um, but doing topics and then doing all the questionnaires and RCAs, it kind of hit me that maybe it's not that easy. I mean, it is kind of tough, those seeing those mock questions in the topic questions. And when I was not getting that score I was willing to get, I used to be scared. Then, oh no, maybe, I need to work hard on this. And the challenge that I faced was that my office was very busy. Like, it was kind of working overnight sometimes, and extending my hours. So I was not able to focus. But that December end period, when offices are kind of little free, and you have some time, everybody's off. That period I utilized, and I was able to study more and more. And when I started giving the mocks, that's when I realized that okay, maybe I need to push my date. I booked for 27 December earlier, and then I pushed it to 17th Jan, because I thought maybe I need to do more study, I need to do more mocks, I need to do more RCAs, and get confidence. So mocks definitely helped me a lot. And always you and Jane used to say this PMI mindset. I never, related with what mindset are we talking about. But when I started doing mocks, those questions, I realized, okay, what mindset are we talking about here that we need to apply to that question. And that only you and a facilitator helped us, cracking that thing, that how we need to think from PMI mindset. So it was, that helped me a lot. Attempting the questions, I won't say the exact questions that came in the exam were exactly the same that we have done in the mocks, but I knew what I have to do because I had that PMI mindset.
Hmm. Okay.
So that's why.
Let's talk about how did you manage, which center was it? How did you manage time in the exam?
So, as I'm based out of Canada, my center was near Toronto. It's a Mississauga location, and it was a office setup where there were different cabins. And when we went inside, like my exam was 9 a.m. We went for the exam, and we had thorough checking. So they check everything. They check your ears. They check your if you're wearing specs, and your pockets, everything. They do a checking, and they just give start we start with the exam. And the time management, for me, I got lucky. I didn't get a very long questions. My questions were not more than 3 lines. So that way it was good. So the first part, sir, I was able to do within 75 minutes. So that I didn't took 80 minutes. It was I was able to complete between 75, and as you said, I took a break and I refreshed myself in the break. I ate something and I drank water, and you can't leave the building, so you can be only in the center. And again, when you go inside for the second section, they check you again thoroughly, and then you can go inside and be second attempt, you can do the second section. In that section also, it was a little tough, a little bit from the first one, I would say, and it took me around 75 minutes again, but I was able to do it on time. And then I took the break again, and then the third section I attempted. But I was, because I followed your tick and tricks, that I did deep breathing, I took the break, so I was able to do those three sections without getting tired.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Without getting tired. Okay, perfectly. How many drag and drops were there?
None. There were none.
There were no drag and drop
No
questions.
drag and drops question were there in my exam.
Okay.
Yeah.
First section, how much time?
So first section I took 75 minutes, around 75 minutes for the first section. And actually I took for all three sections around 70-75 minutes. And I was able to review also some of the questions which I marked for review, because you can review mark some questions for review which you want to come and see again if you have some doubt. So 2-3 questions I marked as review, and I was able to even review those questions, and I was able to complete on time, sir. Yeah.
Okay. You have done a lot of mocks. Which mocks
Yeah.
were more relevant for you for that?
So when I did the 180 mocks, I they were kind of, I would say, higher level, and they were tough. That's when I realized maybe I need more and more practice, because they had long questions and short questions both. But the mocks that I did at the end, like the 6 mocks that we do towards the end when you have to appear for the exam, I think those were more relevant for me, because those refreshed all the things that I have done in the people process, and 180 mocks kind of refreshed everything. And also it was PMI mindset. I was almost clear at that time what I need to apply, and with RCAs I got to know more and more on why, how I need to approach the question. So that helped me. And those kind of questions were there in the exam, sir, for me.
Hmm. So you would say
Yeah.
the last 6 mocks were most relevant for the exam.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
If we don't do any other mocks and only do that, can we pass the exam?
No.
Why not?
No. No, you have to do in the entire thing. I think I was also thinking the same. It's a process. When
Mhm.
you do topics, the way you have designed, that's why I think the way you have designed the entire course is beautiful, because first we do the topics, we know the topics, then we do the questions for that, and then we start doing the mocks. That's when and we do mistakes, that's when we realize how to we have to approach the question. And as I said, questions won't be same as what we are doing in the mocks. It will be like similar but not same. So we need to have that mindset. So the entire process helped me. And yes, the questions were more likely the last mocks that I have done, the small like 2-3 line questions, and those type of agile and teams and risk related questions.
Hmm. Okay, perfectly fine. How important it is to do 180 question answers so that you can sit and do the question answers? How important that is?
That is very important, because I think for some of us it is the, focusing for that long period is a problem, definitely for me. And by the third section you get so tired that you're not able to focus on the uh, PMI mindset that you have to apply. And it is very tricky. So you have to have this 180 mocks practice, because you need to sit for that long, take break, and attempt those 60 questions in 80, 75, 75 minutes, so that you practice for it. That's very important, I think.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I remember you did when you did the first agile mock, your score was bad, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So what happened there?
Hello, everyone.
Hello. So for I think that time, maybe I was not approaching the questions with the mindset that I had to. I knew the topic, I understood what agile is, maybe, but while answering, maybe I was not applying all the suggestions you did, that we have to slow down, we have to, read the third line first, and the elimination technique that works all the time. That is the best that you have to do whenever you, even if you are very confident about the question, you should go for all the options and do the elimination technique. So maybe initially I was not so good at applying all those steps that you
Why
suggest.
I'm asking you, I had a student who had same Martina student, and just before your call, me and Martina was discussing about that. So what should we do? He has exam in 2 days. What he should do to improve that?
So, I think to improve his scores, I would say more and more of mock. So more the more questions we come across, and the RCAs, I think, whenever we are done with the mock and the wrong answers, probably, if you don't have time, if you have time, all the questions, but if you don't have time, at least the wrong answers, we should go again and see why it's wrong and what needs to be your thought process in getting the right one. So as many mocks as we do, I think that built my confidence and also the way of approaching questions.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
perfectly fine. Anything else that you will share with the people? And I want to dedicate this to Ram. She was referring to him. Not only Ram, Sudha, the entire
Yeah.
family has done
Yeah.
PMP with us. So I'm really
Right.
proud of them
Yeah.
on that. Anything else, Sakshi, you want to share?
So, sir, I just want to say to everyone, I think, who would see this video is follow whatever sir and your facilitator. I would especially like to thank Jane as well here, that she has always been so supportive and followed up with me. But always, go with what they are saying, and do the RCAs, do the mocks, and the PMI mindset which they teach in the coaching calls, and also in your one-to-one sessions. Just focus on that, and I think it will be cleared. There is no second answer. You will be able to do it.
Thank you very much, Sakshi. It has been a beautiful journey. Sakshi, we
Yeah.
always ask each student, each one teach one is the mantra of the game. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would say the same thing as Ram recommended, you recommend someone else.
Definitely. Even in the center, sir, someone actually was talking to me and he failed the exam. He was telling me, and I told him, I took help and I had a great support with me. If you want, I can share their number. So, if someone, anyone is coming across to me for, who needs help, I would definitely
Thank
recommend
you.
you.
Sakshi, it will
Yes.
be great if you can make 10 question answers for PMP so
I
that,
will definitely.
thank you.
Yes.